much for her to get out and leap out the water every time. He's very responsive to the boat, you can see it. It doesn't take much, and if he maybe just feeds it in and keeps it going, well, there, look at that. You know, I'm going to see something happened on the engine.